Stop negative thinking before it destroys your life.
Negative thinking rarely destroys your life all at once. It does it slowly, one thought at a time. I'm not good enough. Nothing will ever change. My life is over. I know those thoughts because I used to live in them. But here's what I learned. Not every thought deserves your belief. At POP, positivity doesn't mean pretending life is perfect. It means learning how to challenge the thoughts trying to destroy your future. When negative thoughts go unchecked, they shape your habits, your confidence, your identity, and eventually, they shape your life. That's why mindset matters so much, because your thoughts become your direction. So today, I want you to catch one negative thought. And instead of accepting it automatically, challenge it. If your mind says it's too late for me, replace it with I'm rebuilding. That's real positivity, not fake happiness, not denial, rebuilding. If you want help rebuilding your mindset with accountability and support, join us inside POP. Link is in the description. Stay positive, stay accountable, mindset rebuilders.